The National Weather Service in Bethany has issued a tornado warning for north-central Harrison County in northern Missouri, west-central Mercer County in northern Missouri, until 7:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 2 miles northwest of Eagleville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Eagleville, Blythedale, Eagles Landing Motel, and Canesville. Take cover now. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows and consider a basement or closet. If in a mobile home, vehicle or outdoors, move to an interior building immediately. Cover your head with hands, helmet or a blanket. A tornado is on the ground. Seek shelter immediately. A tornado watch is currently in effect for portions of northwestern and central Harrison County, and portions of southwest and northwest Mercer County in Missouri, as well as counties in Iowa, Ringgold, Decatur and Wayne.